One of the best ways of knowing if an expert advisor works or not is to backtest it in MetaTrader. Let's do it. Welcome to Mini Traders. Lots of specialists believe that we won't have traders like these days in the future. Computer programs would do it instead of real man. These days, there are lots of full automated trading systems in the world, and there are lots of them designed to use in MetaTrader. If you have one of them and want to backtest it, this video is for you. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's test an EA in MetaTrader. Here we are. This is MetaTrader 4, and for backtesting we need to add our EA to our platform. Then we will see the name in our navigator. For doing this, click on File, then open Data Folder, then go to MQL4 folder, Experts folder. Then you can drag and drop your experts file here. Cert test is the name of my provided expert advisor. After doing this, we need to close MetaTrader and restart it. Now we see cert test in navigator, and we can start testing it. For backtesting, we use strategy tester. You can click here or use Ctrl R to open strategy tester. We have a strategy tester here. We close terminal window. We can select our EA here. We choose cert test. We can choose the pair we are gonna test. We choose every tick model for most precise test. Other options are better to use sometimes for optimization purposes. We can select time frame here, and we leave spread in current spread. We don't check optimization. If we check use date, we can specify exact date for period of our backtest. If we check visual mode, we can have visual charts and we can see what's happening in the chart. In expert properties, we can specify our test account parameters and expert inputs. If you want to change inputs, you should use value column, and other columns are for optimization. Optimization tab is not for this video and needs another video maybe in future. Okay, now let's start testing. This new chart is for visual demonstration. Let me change template for better view. We can increase the speed of test with this bar. You can now see fast moves in chart. We can pause our test for any reason by clicking here, and you can skip test to a specific date if you want to do your job faster. If it's more than the period of your backtest execution, your test will be ended by clicking on skip to. Well, you can see some orders are taking place in the chart, like this one or this one. In results tab, we can see what's happening for orders. Graph tab shows us the graph of account balance. Report tab is shown at the end of the test, and in the journal tab we can see errors in execution of EA. Now let's speed up our test by skipping. Expert is going forward faster. Let's speed up video to see the final results. While the test is over, you can see the indicators in the chart and what happened to positions. In Results tab, we have a statement like a real trading account statement with some more elements related to backtest. We have everything here for analyzing our EA performance, the elements and how to analyze them needs lots of talks. We don't get into this in this video. We can save this report by right clicking on report. When we open the report, you can see that it's not much different from MetaTrader reports for its accounts with a complete history of orders. This is how you could test an EA that you have in your hands, and we may talk about optimization and writing an EA in next videos in this channel in future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit thumbs up and share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.